friends, so today I would like to share with you these beautiful baskets. In the package you will find 3 of them of 3 different sizes. You have the 8, 10 and 12 inches in diameter. Guys, this beautiful product, it's hand woven with a solid bamboo of really good quality. They are very tightly woven, they're super smooth, nice and sturdy, and I really love the design. So this right here, it's like a classic bird nest, so adorable. This product is so versatile, you guys. You can use it as a fruit basket, also will be great to place bread or even flowers. It could be such a beautiful decoration for any corner of your home. Super good quality again, you guys. I really love the rustic type of design, the color, and I absolutely recommend it. I really hope you will enjoy it, and I will see you next time. Bye!